Did you know that 2025 will be a key year for real estate investments? The combination of technology, sustainability, and emerging markets is creating opportunities that could change your financial life. But how can you identify these opportunities before everyone else? In this video, I'll reveal a complete step-by-step guide to find the best properties on the market with strategies, real examples, and tools that will make you stand out as an expert. I'll tell you how a small investor was able to transform their financial life with a simple investment. Let's do this. Before we dive into the strategies, we need to understand the current landscape. What makes 2025 unique in the real estate market? Post-pandemic evolution. Remote work continues to impact demand, moving many people out of big cities to suburban and rural areas. Fact: in 2024, rural properties in the United States increased in value by 18% due to this migration. People are looking for quieter spaces with better prices and a higher quality of life. John, a father, decided to move to a nearby town instead of living in the city and saw the value of his property increase by 20% in the first year alone. Technological impact. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are revolutionizing how we buy and evaluate properties. Example: platforms like PropStream use artificial intelligence to predict the profitability of a property before buying it. This saves time and allows for a more informed purchase. Sustainability as a pillar. The demand for eco-friendly homes continues to grow. Fact: in Europe, homes with energy certifications sell 25% faster than traditional ones. This reflects a trend towards sustainability, which is marking a turning point in the real estate industry. Now that we understand the landscape, let's talk about what defines a good opportunity in this year full of changes. A good real estate opportunity in 2025 isn't just about the price. Let's break it down. Competitive price. Look for properties that are at least 10% below the average market value in growing areas. Example: a house in southern Spain purchased in 2023 for €120,000 is now worth €150,000 thanks to the region's tourism development. Strategic location. Invest in areas with upcoming infrastructure projects, such as new highways or train stations. High demand. Identify properties near universities, hospitals, or large employment centers. Fact: rentals in these areas have occupancy rates above 90%. Areas close to universities, like those surrounding large campuses, continue to be a magnet for long-term renters. Aligning with current trends. Sustainable or technological homes are increasing in value more rapidly due to the growing preference for properties that offer energy efficiency and quality of life. In 2024, Alberto bought a house with solar panels in a high-demand area. Today, he's earning 30% more in annual returns than on conventional properties. But what drives these characteristics in the market? Let's explore the key factors. Let's talk about the forces shaping the real estate market this year. Interest rates. A 1% change in rates can impact how much house you can afford. Example: in 2024, a 0.5% increase in Europe caused an 8% drop in sales, showing how the global economy changes buying decisions. Urban versus rural demand. Working from home has shifted interest towards rural areas, but urban areas are still valuable for commercial properties. Cities are still centers of economic activity, which creates constant demand. Sustainability trends. Properties with certifications like LEED or Passive House are becoming more and more popular. Fact: homes with these certifications are expected to increase in value by 15% in the next 5 years. International investment. Markets like Brazil and Vietnam are attracting foreign investors because of their economic growth. Global diversification is key for a strong portfolio. With that in mind, let's move on to the types of properties that are making a difference. What kinds of properties should you be looking for? Here are some of the most promising options. Growth areas, cities with new industrial or tourism developments. For example, in Mexico, the Mayan train has boosted investment in Yucatan, an area that used to be overlooked. Sustainable properties, homes with solar panels and efficient insulation. These properties are not only aligned with ecological trends, but they are also attractive to tenants looking for low energy costs. Mixed-use spaces. Properties that combine housing, retail, and offices. This type of property is gaining popularity, especially in cities that encourage the coexistence of different types of activities. In Madrid, neighborhoods with integrated co-working spaces are in higher demand than average. Urban renewal. Areas revitalized by public or private projects. For example, Medellin has transformed disused areas into cultural centers, increasing the value of nearby properties. Want to know how to find these properties? Let's go over the best methods. With the right tools, you can get ahead of everyone else. Here's how you can do it. Research local trends. Check out statistics on economic and population growth. Use Google Trends to spot growing interest in certain areas. This is a key tool for finding opportunities before anyone else. Connect with experts. Work with agents who specialize in the market you're interested in. They know the ins and outs that you won't find on websites. Use advanced technology. Platforms like Mashvisor analyze tons of data to predict profits, giving you a big advantage over the competition. Explore auctions. This is a great way to buy properties for less than market value. Public auctions offer one-of-a-kind opportunities. Know the local rules, look for tax breaks or incentives for eco-friendly properties. This can make a big difference in how much money you make back. With these tools, you'll be one step ahead. Now let's talk about how to get the most out of your investment. These strategies will help you multiply your results. Diversification. Invest in different cities or types of properties. Diversifying reduces risks and maximizes long-term profits. Crowdfunding. Participate in large projects with small investments. This is a great way to access larger projects without putting all your capital at risk. Technological investments. Smart and automated homes are rapidly gaining value with a highly attractive return on investment. Now you have everything you need to find the best real estate opportunities in 2025. What do you think about starting your research today? Share in the comments which type of investment interests you the most and subscribe for more content that transforms your financial future. Remember, 2025 is the year to take the next step towards a more secure future. See you in the next video.